before this I want to do one more thing actually. Okay, so what I want to do here is that I want to add a tailwind config. Okay, so obviously it is not being shown here, but don't worry. What we will do is that we will take advantage of the chat GPT. Okay, so yeah, we will be using our Microsoft Copilot. We can use, that's also not an issue. I'll show you how to use the Microsoft Copilot for such kind of purposes. Here I will tell him, give me a demo tailwind.config.ps file for my Read project. Okay, so this thing we will remove. Okay, we need a basic setup basically. So I will be using this one. Okay, I will be using this one, and tailwind.config.js. I'll paste this. Alright, and okay, it has still not come. Yeah, now you see that the IntelliSense is coming. Okay, you see that colors are coming here as well. That's exactly what we wanted. Now what we will do is that after Tailwind CSS, we will be like adding the React router. Okay, the React router we will be using. I'll show you how you can use that. So React router DOM, React router official documentation. That's how you use it basically. Or anyway, first we will see the installation. Okay, here they are saying many projects start with a template. No, but we do not want a template basically. We just want it to, like, yeah, npm install React router like this. So I will install it again. Let me like close this. Npm install React router. Okay, here what I will do is that instead of this strict mode, I will write browser router. Okay, and I will remove this. The browser router is now added. Now what? Routing. Okay, so routes, then route this one. Okay, this one we will be adding in our app component. So I will import the routes and I will import the route, and here it is showing app, but what I will do is that I will create one folder called as pages, another folder called as components. Alright, in this pages I will create one home page component, home.tsx, and I will write RAFCE. How did I do that? So let me show you the extension that I am using. This one. Okay, this extension is what I am using. So DS Zinaz, I'm sorry if I pronounced this name wrong, but anyway. Alright, this is our home component. Here I will be adding that home component, and I will add one more page to show you the actual routing. Okay, like document.tsx RAFCE. Okay, this is the document page, and route paths will be slash document slash ratio id element document like this. Okay, and document I'm porting from here. Alright, shift alt F to format. Okay, now I will be starting the server npm run dev. As you can see now, see the home page, nothing else. Now I want to navigate to this, so what will I do? On this home page I will add nav link. I will be adding go to document page, and here to document slash or id, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 whatever. You see this document page has opened. Okay, now this is how the React router DOM works, guys. This is how the React router DOM works. Alright, now you know what's the science behind this React navigation without refresh. How does it actually do the navigation? Usually on the website you visit a link, you see that loader is like rotating, but here in React applications you don't see it, still you navigate. How do you do that? Because of this React router. Alright, okay, so the best practice is here that I will remove this, or maybe I will write the main tag. Okay, which is better. I mean, I could add a fragment, that's also not an issue, but for this page I will add a main tag. And remember, you should always write the semantic HTML. Okay, so yeah, I'm now removing this one. Now this is the home page, and now we will start building our home page actually. Okay guys, so let's get started on building the home page.